Hi guys, it's Nora and my mom and my sister Maddie. In today's video, we will be talking about how our cats got outside. So it all started when I was opening the door and Simba got out. He's a boy cat, and then I left the door open trying to get him, and then Kiara got out. And then they both came in again. Then they got out. First Kiara came in, and we had to wait like 2 hours for Simba to come in. So yeah, that was a short video, but I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.